In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you create your own digital AI avatars and then make videos with your own products. For example, watch this video right here. This is not me. This is my digital twin, and it's holding, or he's holding, a coffee mug. This gray mug, you are missing out. By the way, you may think it's blue, but it's not. It's gray, and keep my... So I'm going to show you full tutorial, step-by-step process, and it's going to be two main steps. Number one, how do you create your own digital avatar? And number two, with your products. And then number two, how do you create videos with it so you can amplify your reach? You can make a lot of videos for Instagram, Facebook ads. That's what a lot of people do. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. And it's really, really simple, but there are a couple of steps involved. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So the platform, the tool we're going to use is called HeyGen. It's one of the HeyGen. It's one of the best AI tools to create your digital avatar videos. So make sure you go to HeyGen, and I'll have my link below. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but you will see why it is one of my favorite AI tools. So let me log into one of my accounts. And like I said, there are a couple of different steps. Once you log in, go to your dashboard. You are going to go to your avatars, click on that. And now you have two options. You can create video avatar and then photo avatar. So we're going to focus on video avatar. So step number one is, how do you create your own video avatar, but with your products? Really, really simple. What people typically do is they upload their video to create a video avatar without their product. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a video, but you're going to hold your product in hand. That's how you create, that's how you place your e-commerce, your product in your AI or digital avatar video. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So what you're going to do is click on create avatar. It's not going to let me, because the plan I'm using, it lets me create only one AI video avatar. So if I click here, this is the video avatar I'm using, and this avatar is holding this cup in the hand. So now there are a couple of things you want to make sure. So do's and don'ts. So when you record a sample video, here are some do's and don'ts. So number one is, the do's are, you're going to record 2 to 5 minute video, high resolution, record it with your iPhone or your Android phone, well lit, look directly into the camera. And then most important, this is super, super important, you're going to hold your product in your hand, because you're going to use this digital AI avatar to make videos afterwards. Pause between sentences, like how you naturally speak. Keep your hands below the neck level. So don't do this. Keep your hands here. Keep your product here. Have product visible. And then there's some don'ts. By the way, when you try to upload a video here, it is going to show you all those do's and don'ts. So let me show you the video that I recorded and that I uploaded to HeyGen. So here's the video, and you can see it's 2-minute video. Let me go back here. Let's bring the video forward. So here's the video, and you can see it's 2-minute video, and I'm going to play a few seconds of that video. So you'll see I'm naturally speaking to the camera. The video is recorded with iPhone. The only difference is, and that's the only difference if you want to place your product, use your own product, hold your product in the hand and put that in front of you, below your shoulders. Fade online on social media is because they don't follow the process, which is, if you are not building a relationship with these people, guess what? They are gonna go to other places. They're gonna go to other... There you go. So 2 to 5 minute video of you speaking to the camera. It doesn't matter what topic, you could talk about anything. And then what you want to do is, I'll show you, click here, and then you're going to upload your footage here. There's some more. Once you upload your footage, it will show you the do's and don'ts that I just showed you right here. By the way, I'll make sure I'll paste that below in the description or the comment so you get the do's and don'ts. So that is our step number one. So you're going to upload a 2 to 5 minute video of you holding your product. And it's also going to make you do a consent video where you give HeyGen a consent that they can use your video to create digital avatar. Once you do that, it's going to come back with something like this. Hey Slade, Kyron, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. So from your uploaded video, it's going to create, this is your digital twin with your product in your hand. Now, how do you make social media unlimited content with this? Super simple. What you're going to do is just, once you have your digital avatar created with your product, now step number two. Step number one was you're going to create your digital twin. Step number two is you're going to use that to make videos. So now to make videos with this, click here. Now you can pick a format. Let's do portrait. You can do landscape, up to you. Do portrait. And now it's going to take you to this editor or this place where you can add script. So go back here. And then this is where you can add, hey, look at my awesome blue coffee cup. Whatever you want to do, enter your script here. By the way, if you want to use a GPT script, AI script writer, you can, it's also available. You can do that. Once you upload your video, you're also going to be able to select your own voice. So it has already detected my voice from the video samples that I've uploaded. And then you will submit, you can preview this and you will submit, and it will create videos, AI UGC style videos with your own product. So super simple. Step one, create your digital avatar with your product in your hand. Step two, use that, enter any script. This could be testimonial for your videos. This could be talking about the latest, the greatest, the awesome features your video has. This could be about the new promotions about your products or the different features. So it could be about anything. Just enter that script here, click submit, and it will generate the video. Let me play the video again for you. The one I generated for my coffee cup. Here is the video. And now this is my digital twin. Coffee hot all the time. Let's go back and watch it. Hey, if you are not drinking coffee in this gray mug, you are missing out. By the way, you may think it's blue, but it's not. It's gray, and keep my coffee hot all the time. So super if you are not simple process. Gray mug, you are missing out. Let me pause that or actually close it. So super simple, but two-step process. Like I said in the beginning, HeyGen is the platform, the tool, the AI tool we use, and I'm going to have link below in the description or comments. My affiliate link, you can check it out. You can go sign up, create UGC style videos with your own products, and post those on social media or use them in your ads. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.